I am absolutely hyper. Absolutely. So where motorbike's supposed to sound. Hey son, was that Triumph, was it? I can't remember. Yeah, so the car show's over here, and we were here last year, weren't we, son? And it was just awesome. You are going to see some amazing cars today. Oh guys, I'm seeing it's a Land Rover bit over there. Classic cars over there, and the supercars should be up there. Tina, your Uncle Dave used to have one of them. Granda used to have one of them. Granda used to have one of them. Now, there's a couple of cars. See this one over here, this big American job. It's at all the shows, isn't it? And look at this Mustang. Oh, dear Lord. And there's another one. We've got the minis here again this year. Have a look around, eh? One of the most expensive cars here, look. That's an Aston Martin. DB4, isn't it? Aston Martin DB4 James Bond job.
I just thought it was not as many cars because last time it went all the way down.
You're right, it went all the way up there. Because they've got all the Porsches here, haven't they, this side? Big Porsches, of course. Uncle Dave had a Porsche, so that's usually a wee bit of a favourite of mine, it has to be said. Yes, we're hoping my mate Terry's here with his Ferrari 3. I am relatively sure that's Terry's with my pals. I can't quite remember the registration plate. But dear Lord, what a work of art. That is so gorgeous. See, I always love it's like the little window when I watch the sun. There's a little window into the engine, like. Oh. That is really nice. Oh, I better watch the hit speed bump with those splitters, I'll tell you. Yes. See, I'm going to get confused because Guy's number plate's GLM, but maybe he's changed it to Guy. Well, let's see if I can see him around. I know some of these guys actually just drop their cars off and go away back to work because Guy's maybe got something on today. See these F-type Jags, they are so underrated, you know that? They're absolutely amazing. Hey guys, it's just so underrated. That is really beautiful. So nice inside as well. I don't want to open them up if the guys aren't next to us. Just beautiful. Same again, the old Jags. I'm really surprised we're not seeing the old Jags though. Granda used to have the one that came before that one. I'm not seeing any of them like the XJ6 or anything. So we'll work our way down. That's one of those Lotus Esprits from James Bond, look. One of the old James Bond movies. And we'll get back to the Land Rovers, people. As usual. Big burger vans and all that, like it. I remember the kind of supercars being away down this end. Oh, that's a bit of a shade. Now, if the same people are here from last year, they'll have their doggies with them, Emily. And you ended up spending about 15 minutes on them, didn't you? Because there's like 3 doggies, isn't there? Yeah. We'll see if they're here this time. That is worth a lot. And you can see these real enthusiasts, guys. You know, look, they just keep the engine bay absolutely pristine. Absolutely beautiful. Maybe had to do a bit of restoration work on that one, I wonder. Oh, now this is a Ford Focus RS, son. It's an RS. It's a very early RS. It's like a Mark 1 Focus, isn't it? Beautiful. It is an RS, it's beautiful. Oh, the TVRs, look. Underrated again, just monsters.
Scooby's in there.
And there's my Mini. There's my Mini.
Tiny Mini.
That's what I always wanted when I was a teenager, was one of those mantas.
Got like maroon one.
With a white one. I really always wanted one of them. Just shows you what you grew up with though, you know what I mean? I'm into Land Rovers because Ian had a Land Rover, really. It's just what you're shown when you're growing up.
It's like one of those security cards. We're having a breakup over there.
Yes, yeah. The little MGs again. We're going Fast and the Furious now though. Wow. That's nice. Yeah, the only car I've ever crashed. A bit nicer than my old one right enough. Mine was a 5-door. That's a real classic, guys. Look. The Sierra. It should be the 4x4 one, isn't it? Colin McRae, Dead Ringer. I wonder if that's actually an original. I don't think so. None of these guys have signs, don't they? 1989. And just a monster. I bet that's scary. I bet that's scary. Ooh! Fiat X1. It's a Fiat, isn't it? It's a lie. I thought it was a Fiat, that one.
Go-kart.
Oh, look at this thing. Oh.
Okay, but there's a go-kart.
I know, look at the go-kart on top. 85 Dodge D350. That is a monster. I'm not really sure if this thing was pump up. Must have a hydraulic suspension or something. I wonder whose it is. It's, yeah, on steroids. No, now we're into it, guys. Look at this. I'm trying to give you a really good look around the real ones, you know. Oh wow. Oh my lord. Look at this thing. Look at that for a camper. Wow. That's obviously been fully restored. It's just beautiful. Look at that. Just amazing. Well, take a look at this, guys. Three-wheeler. Amazing. I thought it was probably one of those amphibious vehicles, you know. You can drive them onto the water, but it's like a three-wheeler, one in the back, two in the front. So yeah, here we go. Go and see, David, go and see where this car comes up to. Is it on your waist? Or is it my waist? That is low. That's like a go-kart.
Yeah.
Oh, so much fun.
That's about the door handle height in France.
Yeah. And of course, people love these things because of James Bond, obviously. Across the go, it's gorgeous as well, isn't it? It's a Fiat 500. Remember they brought out the latest one a few years ago? Like, see these in Italy? When these things were first out in Italy, you could go into a newsagent's and buy spare parts for it. They're on the shelf. They're just so simple, there's just nothing to them. But people love them. I don't blame them. I really don't blame them. Oh. Now this is why the United States are such happy people. Imagine this, and this is like 70s, would it be? Would this be 70s? Don't really have any sort of information out about the car, but yeah, big caddy, look. Lady Margaret have called it. Look at, David, look at that. See, look, that's what the Americans got. That's what we get. Americans, what we get. Americans, what we get. Just work of art. Yeah. Oh, look at that. Oh wow, is it the Austin engine one as well? Twin choke Webers. Oh, nice. I'm going to go and see Terry's Ferrari again. Hopefully he's around this time. Can I see him? Is he there? Let's see if Terry's there. Hopefully, guys, you're getting just a great look, especially old cars from the UK. Well, mooch around. Terry must be here somewhere. Where's young Terry? There's an Audi R8 over there. Aston Martins, and then Terry, but I can't see him anywhere. Ah, look, America. Hey, we love you guys. Look at that. That is just gorgeous. Yeah, there would be. Oh, I've had the pennies. That's the one would be. That's the one. I don't know why. That's another James Bond one, you see. It's a red one out of James Bond. I'm sure that was the same model. It was red. It's in Diamonds Are Forever, I think. Something like that. Isn't it? The guys are getting some shade now, and I don't blame them at all. Like, it's very hot today. It was just rubbish yesterday, though, wasn't it? We tried to go to the horse show, didn't we?
Yeah. Apparently it stopped at midday, which is pretty unusual.
This is probably the only time you'll ever hear Daddy say 5 more minutes, 5 more minutes, 10 more minutes. Eh? Oh, and they come in left-hand drive as well, son. Do they come in left-hand drive?
Yeah.
Now this is what David's wanting, guys. Check this out. Because we want to have a farm later in life, eh? It's got the cab and everything. Look at this. And this is David's dream machine. David will become a farmer. Won't you, son? Yeah, I mean, it's got the tow bar on it. Gator, it's 4-wheel drive. That's beautiful. Nice classic colours, you know, with the John Deere, but David doesn't like the yellow wheels. They'd have to go silver or black or something like that. That thing's awesome. So practical as well. Man, it is just like a car inside. It's... Hey. So that's the 865M.
There's yellow seats in it.
Yellow seats. Has it got a winch on it? No, but you could put one. Oh yeah. Look at this thing. How cool is that? David's dream machine. That's what you have to dream of when you're 12 away, son. Eh? A few years before you're on the road. Must be low box, high box maybe. So normally we get Herbie running towards us, don't we, son? But I think it's really hot. I think he's in the stable actually, isn't he? Yeah, so boiling hot out. Look at this man. And of course this man is brown. So it's rather hot for him. Yeah, very dark brown. We've taken him in, like, he's been getting his suntan lotion on every day, so his nose is still lovely and pink. It's not sunburned out. Can you go away?
No.
Yeah, he's a lovely boy.
I'm getting pretty.
Don't know what we'd do without him now.
No.
Yeah, look at him. Just
We need
beautiful.
a new salt lick. This thing's almost dead.
Yeah, I need to give his hoofs a trim again, eh? Look at him. We just love that boy, don't we? Just love that boy. Look at him. He's tired. You go for a snooze? Once the head collar, once the fly net's off, look, this is what he gets. A nice scratch around and stuff like that. His face is looking really tired. I think he must have been sleeping on about actually, just looking really tired. Yeah, drifting off again, look. Drifting off again. Check out the wee monster! Check out the wee monster! Just holding David, look. Oh, that good girl, is it Lucy? Isn't it Lucy? Oh, that lovely wee doggy. Oh. So yeah, look guys, the little one, the little labradoodle. Oh. She's just like a, isn't she? She's just like a teddy. She's a little teddy bear. She's a little teddy bear. He's a pretty.
You're so cute.
He's a pretty.